Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Romella and in today's video I'm going to share with you guys my July favorites. I do have quite a few skincare, makeup and food items. I do have a lot of food items and I also have a YouTube channel that I will share at the end of the video. So without making the intro any more longer, let's get started. Okay, so the first product that I have here is this facial razor from the Bombay Shaving Company. This is a regular facial razor, but this is so gentle on the skin. Oh my god, I dropped it. The one that I used to use earlier was the Let's Shave facial razor. That was also good. That lasted me quite a while, and I bought two of those. But this one I like more than that because this is a little bit more sharp. But it also does not cut you. The Let's Shave one is so sharp to the point that you tend to cut yourself more often. So if you are on a lookout for good facial razor, then definitely give this one a shot, the one from the Bombay Shaving Company. Also, you need to take really good care of your razor once you're done shaving. Make sure you sanitize and put the cap back so that the razor doesn't get blunt. The one that I'm currently using, uska cap gum ho gaya a couple of weeks back, but is still in good condition because once I'm done shaving I keep it back in the box itself so that the blade does not come in contact with multiple items and gets blunt. So this is still going strong. It's been 3 months now and I'm still on the first razor. So this will last you a really good time, probably like 6 to 8 months, which I think is really affordable for the price you pay. So this is something that I've been really loving. So the next product is a sunscreen and it is the Pond's SPF 30 sunscreen. This is what I've been using every single day. Since this is SPF 30, this is perfect for indoors, and since I'm indoors most of the time, this is what I use when I am at home, and this does a pretty good job. It does not leave any white cast, but it feels a little oily, not oily, but kind of hydrating, which I really love because I'm from the dry skin type and I don't like products to be very matte on my skin. So I really like dewy hydrating products, and this is a hydrating kind of sunscreen. This will not leave any white cast. You will have to blend it in for around 30 seconds to a minute and it will vanish, and it does do a pretty good job of protecting your skin as well, like protecting my skin from the sun damage, and it is like really good. It does not cause any any irritation, no oiliness. It does not make my skin dark or anything of that sort. So that is why I absolutely love this. This is what I've been using since I ran out of the Episoft one. The Episoft AC SPF 30 moisturizer is something that I've been using since a year. I've used bottles of that and I ran out of that one, and I purchased this one and I've been loving. Skincare product that I've been loving is a moisturizer, and it is this Johnson's 24-hour moisture cream. I really love the fragrance of this one. It is not very what do you say, subtle, but it's not very overpowering as well. It is just in between. It is not when you apply it on your skin, you don't smell any, like there's no irritation from the fragrance, but in the tub it feels really nice. This is how the texture is. It is very very lightweight and it gets absorbed into the skin really well. Also it leaves a really nice glow. If you are someone who is from the normal to dry skin type, then you will love this. I'm not sure about the oily skin people because this does leave a very hydrating kind of a feeling. It is not a matte moisturizer or anything of that sort. So if you are on a lookout for a good affordable moisturizer, this is affordable. I got this for 295 rupees and this is a 200 ml tub, I believe. So the quantity is really good for the price you pay. I've been using this for I guess the past 2 months and बहुत कम ही use किया हुआ है. You guys can see, I don't know if it's visible on camera, but बहुत कम ही use किया हुआ है, and this is what I've been using most of the time. So yeah, I absolutely love this moisturizer. The next product that I have here is something that I've been using for months. बीच में मैंने छोड़ दिया था because I used another product, but I am back to loving this, and it is the Dot & Key Hydro Peel 10 AHA and 2% BHA exfoliating serum. This is the exfoliating mask. It's not a serum, it is basically a mask. You have to apply it on your face and rinse it off after 10 minutes. This is a chemical exfoliator, and if you're a beginner you will love this. This is very suitable for sensitive skin type as well, since the percentage of AHA is low. It will suit all skin types. Also this does give me really good results. It is very comparable to the minimalist 30% AHA. वो 30% AHA है and this is just a 10%, and the results are almost the same. That does give me a slight better glow, but this also does the job really well. This is how I started chemical exfoliation, and then I moved to the minimalist one, and I stopped using this because it was here in Pune and I was in Bombay for a few months, and now when I came back I've been using only this. I haven't touched the minimalist one. I've been using this every single week. You guys can see I've used up a lot of product. There's only little left. I will definitely repurchase this because this is very suitable for sensitive skin type as well. It will not cause any purging, no breakouts, nothing of that sort, because this is very mild on the skin. So if you are on a lookout for a good chemical exfoliator, if you're a beginner, then definitely give this one a shot. Those were all the skincare products. Now moving on to makeup, I have quite a few affordable makeup products. The first one is this Swiss Beauty blusher. It is a very beautiful peachy coral shade, and this is not a matte blush, it is a highlighting blusher. So you just have to apply the blush and you don't need a highlighter. This is what I have on my face today, and I absolutely love the glow that this blusher gives. It is also a very pretty shade that is suitable for medium to dusky skin tones, because I think corals go really well with medium to dusky skin tones, and this is something that I've been using every single day. Like whenever I go out, or not every single day, but basically whenever I go out, this is the only thing that I've been using, because I don't need to apply a highlighter uske upar. I can just apply this blush and go out, and it makes my skin look really nice and pretty. You guys can see how my skin has been glowing, and I have no highlighter whatsoever. So yeah, this is also very affordable. I guess I got this for, yeah, this is for 250 rupees. Very affordable. I got this like 5 to 6 months back, and I've been using this constantly, and I absolutely love it. The next product that I have here is this Insight Ka lip gloss. I have it in the clear variant and also this shade. The shade name is Temptation, which is a very nice brown shade. I have the clear one on my lips today, and this is such a beautiful gloss. It makes your lips look really nice and glossy, of course, but it is also not sticky and heavy and anything of that sort. It is very lightweight. You will not feel like you have a heavy gloss on your lips. It also hydrates your lips somehow, like even if you have a matte lipstick. Now I have a very matte lipstick underneath this gloss, and when I applied this gloss, my lips instantly started to feel hydrated and not drying, and that is why I absolutely love this. This is very inexpensive. It was somewhere around 80 rupees. If you want to get your hands on a really nice gloss that is also very comfortable, then definitely give these ones. The next product that I have here is this Mars lipstick. Now this is in the shade Girl Power. This is a very beautiful brown shade. If you apply a little, this can also work well as brown nude. Now I have a mixture of this and another shade that I have from NARS, that is the Smile Please. It's in my drawer. I love the range basically, but these two shades combined together is what I'm wearing on my lips with the gloss, and I think it it is like a perfect nude for me. I like my nudes to be a little darker and not exactly like my skin tone, so that it does not wash me out. I don't like nudes that wash me out. The Smile Please on its own does wash me out, so I apply a hint of this and then the gloss, and it makes my lips look so beautiful. Also I love to wear this on its own. With the Smile Please, I don't like to wear that on its own, and that's why it did not make to my favorites, because I need to mix a brown or something with that one. It does wash me out. but this one is so good. I can apply a little bit and it works that way, and I can apply like a thick layer and get that really nice brown lips that I absolutely love. This lipstick is super matte. It is supremely matte, and if you have really dry, chapped, wrinkly lips, this will not look the best. So make sure you moisturize your lips whenever you're applying this lipstick. Okay, so those are all the skincare makeup products. Now I just have food items. The first one is this. It is the NIC ice cream in the flavor sea salt caramel. This is such a good ice cream. If you are someone who likes salted caramel, you will love this. I got this on Sara Sarosh's recommendation. She's also a YouTuber, and she recommended this flavor in one of her YouTube videos, and I had to get this because I am I really love caramel flavor, and salted caramel is one of my favorite flavors. So I instantly got this one and fell in love with it. This is a little salty, when you eat it first, but the taste really grows on you and you will start to love this. That is how I felt, and that is how my sister felt as well. At first we felt like this was a tad bit too salty for an ice cream, but now I really cannot stop myself. It's almost empty. I really cannot stop myself from eating this ice cream. If you haven't tried this, you definitely have to try this flavor. Okay, so the next product that I have here is something that I've been obsessed with since the past month and a half, I should say, and that is this TGL filter coffee. The bottle is almost empty because I love this coffee so much. It is not like a regular Nescafe. It has that filter coffee wala flavor, and filter coffee ka flavor is very different from the regular Nescafe. I don't like the Nescafe wala coffee that much, and that is why I never drank coffee for the longest time in my life. I was always a chai person. I still am a chai person. I need my chai first thing in the morning, but in the evening I've started to have coffee, and this is the only coffee that I have. I don't have the Nescafe wala coffee, and I already have a backup of this as well, because that is how much I love this coffee. The flavor of this is very different. If you are someone who loves the flavor of filter coffee, then you should try this. Even if you haven't tried filter coffee, then you should try this, because the flavor of this one is so different from the regular Nescafe, and this is the kind of coffee flavor that I really love. So the next product is something that I have only recently started to love. I think I'll show you guys first. It is this Lotus biscuit. It looks like Parle-G wala biscuit, but the flavor is so different. It is a caramelized biscuit, like caramel flavor hai usme with cinnamon. This is how the biscuit looks. Very similar to Parle-G in terms of looks, but this is very crunchy. It's not like Parle-G. It is very crunchy, and also the flavor is so good. I know Lotus Biscoff, yes, there's Lotus Biscoff spread as well, and Lotus Biscoff wala flavor is very trendy. Not at the moment, but काफ़ी time से it has been trendy, and a lot of these ice cream stores and cake shops and everything, all those stores, they have the Lotus Biscoff wala flavor, but I never got a chance to try that, because whenever I went to the store, or just something happened, and it was always out of stock. The flavor was always out of stock, so I got my hands on the biscuit. I tried this, I think I tried this in May, and I have fallen in love with this ever since. If you haven't tried the Lotus biscuit, you have to try it. The flavor is very different. There's not a single biscuit available in India jiska flavor isse match hota hai. It is a cinnamon caramel flavored biscuit, and it is also quite sweet, like not like your regular biscuit. It is not like the regular Parle-G or just any biscuit. I feel this is very sweet. It's more on the sweeter side. It is not like your regular chai wala biscuit. And the last thing on my favorites list today is this Locker Milka mini wafers. This is again something that I absolutely love. This is the first time I've tried the espresso flavor, and since I have been loving coffee since the past 2 months, I absolutely love this flavor. I also like their tiramisu wala flavor, and there's one more flavor, I think hazelnut या कुछ है, I don't exactly remember, but this is something that I really love, and I always ask dad to get these for me whenever he comes from abroad. And this is again something that I've been having a lot this month, and I absolutely love it. That is it for the video, guys. Those were all the products that I have been loving in the month of July, and uske pehle se hi I've been loving, but in this month is where I've been using or consuming these products a lot. Oh, I have a YouTube channel as well that I wanted to mention. It is the Pickup Lines channel. Now I used to watch her videos back in the day, like I think 1.5-2 साल पहले I used to binge watch her videos, and I used to love her videos, and the way she shoots, edits, presents her videos and her kitchen and everything, the way she presents the food, and you know, just everything about her videos is so soothing and calming. If you watch her videos, at the end of the day you feel really relaxed. Also, her voice is so calming, and also she has a lot of productivity videos apart from food. She makes a lot of productivity content as well, and I absolutely love watching her videos. I've been binge watching a lot of her purane videos as well in this whole month, and they've been, you know, really soothing to my senses. Like, I've been feeling really relaxed after watching her videos, so I wanted to give a big shout out to her channel. She already has, I guess, 3 to 4 million subscribers. I think 3 million subscribers, which she totally deserves, because her content, her editing skills, the videography, everything is to the point. I absolutely love her channel. So if you guys haven't checked her channel out, I will leave it in the description and down below. And yeah, those were all the products that I have been loving in the month of July. I hope you guys found the video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys super soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye.